coming? Come on then. Come on then. You coming? You coming? No? You coming? Where you go? Hello, Mickey Moo. Should we go? Come on in. No, you just want fussing. Look at the Mickey wanting fusses. You're a clever girl. You're so gorgeous, you all are. You're beautiful, girly. Such a beautiful girly. Oh, you got itchy. You look lovely on white. Yeah, you look beautiful, girl. I know you're so beautiful. Such a beautiful girl. Aren't you so beautiful? You got to speak high voice to this one. You're such a beautiful girl. You got all green on your beak, Mickey. Yeah, from the leaves. Basil leaves, isn't it? Yeah, you're so beautiful. Such a beautiful girl.